a day in a life video, but I don't exactly know what I do in my life in like a summer adventure because like it's the first day of summer. I haven't really done anything yet. So instead, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a backbend. I don't know if I've done one of these before. I've done like tutorials on things like a lot in the past, but that was the past. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a backbend for beginners. You might not get your backbend today, but you can always improve your backbend even, or like get really close to getting your backbend. So always remember not to do anything that you think is not for you and you feel unsafe doing, because it can be risky and like you can even be injured. And if you need an adult to help you, always have an adult. Okay, so let's get as much stretching as you can. So in order to be able to do a backbend, you have to be able to do a bridge. It can be just a simple bridge, laying down, flat, pop up. You don't have to be able to do anything else, like you don't have to be able to do a kickover or anything else like that. So a great tip is a wall. You can walk your hands down a wall and easily get into your backbend if you just take a lot of time and effort and practice every single day. You will get it. So what you do is you put one hand like that, and then you can just take the other one and just walk your hands down, and even come up if you want to. And then the second step is to go down on like a higher surface, but not like totally on the ground, but like let's say there was something right here, right? So then I go back to that. So if I put a pillow here, see how it's a rise surface? It's not on the ground, but it's not too high above the ground too. You can practice on that too, where you put your hands up, and then you basically just go on the thing. So you should probably have an adult while doing this, because it can be hard and risky at times, and you can get hurt. So you should always make sure that you have some supervision if you never done it from. And all you have to do is just go back. Okay. So now after you've done everything, all of the steps, try your backbend on the ground and see how you can do it. If you have succeeded or if you haven't, then make sure that you practice every single day, stretching, getting your back stronger, and working on that backbend. So you will eventually get it, and that is a promise if you keep trying and working hard. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you improved on your backbend or got your backbend today. And make sure to subscribe and like, because we're on the way to 500 subscribers.